44 sounds. There are 44 sounds. How many sounds are there?
44 sounds.
How many sounds are there?
44 sounds.
There are 44 sounds. Again, there are 44 sounds. Again, how many types of sounds are there? There are two types of sounds. There are two types of sounds. Vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Vowel sounds and consonant sounds. In vowel sounds, how many sounds are there? There are 20 sounds. There are 20 sounds. There are 20 sounds. 12 monophthong sounds and 8 diphthong sounds. Okay? In this class today, we are going to study 12 monophthong sounds. How many sounds? 12 monophthong sound. The first one is, say with me, E, 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 U, 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 E, A, U, A, O. Repeat. E, 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 U, U, E, A, U, U. Again. E, sheep, sit, green, green. E, chip, sit, sit, sit. U, good, good, good. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Bat, bat. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Bath, bath. Do. Next, cat, cat. Up, up, up. Far, on. Again, I recap the sounds. E, E, U, U, E, A, U, E, A, O. This is the last one, okay? Repeat after me. E, E, U, U, E, A, U, U, E, A, U.